Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by charging and powering the Pro X so radios behave predictably. Make sure battery is above 30%. Next, decide whether you'll use the Lightspeed USB dongle for low-latency audio or Bluetooth for convenience, and insert or enable the chosen method. Once done, open Logitech G on your computer to ensure drivers and firmware can be updated. This avoids connection drops later. The why. Firmware and correct mode reduce dropouts and ensure mic, EC, and side tone behave as expected. Now you move into active pairing. If using Lightspeed, insert the USB dongle, then press the headset pairing button until the LED pulses. The dongle will bind automatically. If using Bluetooth, press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly, indicating pairing mode. Then on your PC, phone, or console, open Bluetooth settings and choose Logitech Pro X. Make sure to confirm any PIN prompts. This step creates a secure connection, so audio, mic, and controls map correctly. Finally, set the Pro X as your default playback and recording device in OS sound settings so apps route audio correctly. Run a quick microphone recording and play test audio to confirm chat and game audio separation. Use GHUB to tweak EQ and side tone. If the connection is unstable or pairing fails, restart both headset and host device, re-enter pairing mode, and, if still failing, try repairing after removing the device from Bluetooth list. This clears cached profiles that cause conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.